Hi, I'm Stay Sermons, co-founder of Agentic Assets. Agentic Assets is evidence-first AI for institutional real estate. We help teams turn massive amounts of research into defensible, auditable investment decisions, not just fast answers. Commercial real estate teams are overwhelmed by manual research. Due diligence takes 30 to 90 days. Analysts spend dozens to hundreds of hours reading PDFs, reports, and market notes. Data abstraction is error-prone. Portfolio monitoring pulls talent away from strategy. The result is slower capital deployment, higher costs, and missed opportunities. Agentic Assets works like a disciplined human analyst, but faster and with perfect traceability. It offers immediate intelligence, fully cited answers synthesized from academic research, industry reports, market data, and APIs. Deep deliverables, investment committee memos, due diligence packs, market outlooks, produced step by step with a complete evidence trail. And everything runs in citation required mode. If a claim can't be supported, the system refuses to make it. Commercial real estate firms are under margin pressure. Transactions are more complex, research teams aren't scaling, and at the same time, AI is finally capable of multi-step workflows, but only if it's constrained for accountability. That creates the opening for evidence-first AI built specifically for institutional decisions. We've already seen this playbook succeed. Legal has Harvey, medicine has open evidence. High-stakes industries don't reward generic AI. They reward domain-specific systems with provenance and auditability. Institutional commercial real estate is next. This is what Agentic Assets actually delivers. On one side, we have citation chat, every claim linked to a source. And on the other, structured workflows, sequential research pipelines that produce deliverable-grade outputs. And critically, the platform defaults to counter-evidence, flagging risks and dissent instead of smoothing over uncertainty. At this point, rather than talk about it, let me show you. So I'm going to run two workflows. Watch for three things: economics-driven reasoning, multiple evidence sources, and charts and citations generated automatically. So here we're asking the platform to analyze commercial real estate market conditions and the interest rate environment. We use FRED data and synthesize it in a way that combines academic research and the rendering of a chart. So you can see first, the agent collects data from FRED, scours academic research, and then looks at verified internet sources to come to an answer. Here we have a visualization of various interest rates. And an overall synthesis of market conditions today, organized in a way that makes sense and is easily read. All right, let me jump to another prompt. Here we're asking the agent for market fundamentals and investment opportunities in Austin. Again, we collect data. And then it'll synthesize academic research on the topic and other market intelligence. and organize it in a way that is easy to use. So rather than have a team of analysts collect the data, and gather insights from research, the agent does it immediately. So here the agent is writing code to put together a visualization for interest rates in the Austin area. So here you can see it synthesized all the information that it's gathered and puts it in a way that I can easily use it. Gives me some economic insight from academic research with citations. And this is something that is valuable and would normally take quite a long time. All right, so let's jump back over and talk about how it works. So Agentic Assets uses sequential reasoning and context engineering, curated evidence bundles at each step to enforce precision and citation discipline. That's how we get speed without the hallucination. Our buyers are heads of research, CIOs, and investment committee chairs. They're institutional teams, which one bad assumption or missed signal is extremely costly. Most AI tools generate text. Agentic Assets produces defensible outputs, citation-required architecture, methods-aware synthesis, counter-evidence by default, persistent institutional memory, and full audit trails. So once research lives here, switching back to generic AI is going to be a downgrade. So we operate a hybrid business model with a platform fee, seat licenses, and expansion modules. The platform is live, orchestration is operational, and pilots are underway. The value proposition is clear: collapse days of research into hours, and with higher confidence. Our co-founders, Cayman Seagraves and Stace Sermons, are both finance PhDs with deep experience in valuation and investment analysis. That matters because this product lives or dies on this methodology and not hype. Note that we go to market through trusted partners and design partners embedding where institutional research already happens. So overall, our vision is to become the trusted intelligence layer for institutional real estate, where research compounds into durable institutional memory. If you want AI that's built for accountability, we'd love to talk about piloting and partnering.